This Century 21 Agate Realty property video is presented by Skip Watwood. Where the Pacific meets the Winchuck River. 2 charming cottages with deeded access to a beautiful sandy beach. Main cottage, light and bright west/open floor plan, upgraded kitchen, solid surface counters, wood stove, picture window in the main area, office and a deck. Cottage 2, open floor plan, updated kitchen west/island and granite counters, bedroom has a walk/in closet and a deck in the backyard. Wonderful landscaping with variety of fruit trees and veggies. This could make a great #Airbnb or #Vrbo. For more information, review the details below or contact Skip Watwood at 541-661-1504.